Here are 50 sentences using I think I should. These sentences reflect thoughtful decision-making and show how I think I should can be used to express self-awareness and responsibility. 1. I think I should call my parents. 2. I think I should start exercising regularly. 3. I think I should apologize for my mistake. 4. I think I should finish my homework now. 5. I think I should wake up earlier tomorrow. 6. I think I should drink more water every day. 7. I think I should take a break and relax. 8. I think I should learn a new skill. 9. I think I should organize my room. 10. I think I should save more money. 11. I think I should help with the household chores. 12. I think I should ask for advice. 13. I think I should try cooking a new recipe. 14. I think I should spend more time with family. 15. I think I should update my resume. 16. I think I should read more books. 17. I think I should schedule a doctor's appointment. 18. I think I should focus more on my studies. 19. I think I should take the bus instead of driving. 20. I think I should attend the meeting on time. 21. I think I should review the report before submitting it. 22. I think I should listen to their point of view. 23. I think I should start a journal. 24. I think I should clean the kitchen. 25. I think I should go for a walk to clear my mind. 26. I think I should call my friend to check on them. 27. I think I should be more patient. 28. I think I should reduce my screen time. 29. I think I should learn to manage my time better. 30. I think I should review my monthly expenses. 31. I think I should plan a weekend getaway. 32. I think I should prepare for the presentation. 33. I think I should try to be more understanding. 34. I think I should replace the old light bulbs. 35. I think I should focus on eating healthier. 36. I think I should call the customer service hotline. 37. I think I should practice for the upcoming competition. 38. I think I should be more consistent with my goals. 39. I think I should remind myself to stay positive. 40. I think I should take the dog for a walk. 41. I think I should thank them for their support. 42. I think I should check my emails. 43. I think I should attend that workshop. 44. I think I should spend some time meditating. 45. I think I should buy groceries for the week. 46. I think I should water the plants. 47. I think I should pay the bills today. 48. I think I should work on my communication skills. 49. I think I should donate some clothes to charity. 50. I think I should focus on the positive aspects of life.